I wanted the fame, but not the cover of Newsweek. Oh well, guess niggas can't be choosy. Wanted to receive attention from my music. Wanted to be left alone in public, excuse me. But wanting my cake and eat it too. And wanting it both ways, fame made me a balloon. Cause my feet inflated when I flew see. It was confusing, cause all I wanted to do was be the Bruce Lee of Bruce Lee, abuse me. Use it as a tool when I blew steam. Hit the lottery, ooh wee. But wait, what I gave up to get was bittersweet. It's like winning, they use me. I'm blind cause I think I'm getting so huge I need a shrink. I'm beginning to lose sleep. Smack my bitch up.
Time, gonna make that, shake that money on a dime. Gonna be a sugar daddy, she can work it just fine. Up on the table, she'll be dancing all night. Baby, now just come alive. Under the spotlight, all the girls wanna fall in line. We say, here come the ladies, got to give a little show. Here go the boys, get a show a little more. She just got me a little what up on the table to be dancing. Everybody just come alive. Oh, no, no, spotlight. All the boys wanna fall behind. We say, here comes the big dress. Okay, girls.